Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your headquarters for commercial vehicle sales, service, and commercial truck parking. Today we're looking at a 2017 Chevy Express 3500 box truck. Under the hood, we have the Vortec 6.0 liter V8 gas engine with 112,000 miles. Back here in the business section, we have a 15-foot Supreme aluminum cargo box, complete with LED lighting, D-ring tie-downs, and a pull-out ramp. Give us a call for more information about this truck, or visit our huge inventory online at Truck-n-Trailer.com, where we stock Ford, GMC, Chevy, and ISUZU box trucks.